My dear students of class 11 and 12, how are you all? I hope by the grace of Almighty Allah all of you are well. I am also well. Welcome to all of you today's class. This is MD Asghar Khan, Senior Lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College. Today I will teach you of your higher mathematics first paper chapter 10 integration exercise 10b. Today I want to discuss some mathematical problem of exercise 10b. Okay dear student, now we can start our today's class. Okay my dear student, question number 10 of exercise 10b. Here integration of e to the power 3x plus 2 dx. Here 3x plus 2, consider 3x plus 2 as a z. That means substitute 3x plus 2 by z. Let 3x plus 2 is equal to z. By the differentiation in both sides we can write differentiation of x is equal to 1, so 3 into dx, and differentiation of 2 is a constant number. You know the differentiation of constant number is equal to 0. So and differentiation of z is equal to dz, and dx is equal to 1 by 3 into dz. So by this result we can write this integral e to the power 3x plus 2 is equal to z. So e to the power z, and dx is equal to 1 by 3 into dz. One by 3 is a constant number, so e to the power z dz. Now by the formula integration of e to the power x is equal to e to the power x, so we can write it 1 by 3 e to the power z and then plus c. C is a integral constant, so 1 by 3 e to the power z, here z is equal to 3x plus 2 plus c. Okay, this is the answer of this integration. Now question number 29, integration of 1 divided by 1 plus cos x into dx. Dear student, you have to know the trigonometric formula 1 plus cos 2x. Already you know 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. We want to apply this trigonometric formula in denominator. 1 plus cos 2 into, we can write it x is equal to 2 into x by 2. So by this formula 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. Here x is equal to, consider x is equal to x by 2. Okay. Now 1 by 2 is a constant number, so we can write it 1 divided by 2 integration of 1 by cos square x divided by 2 into dx. Then 1 by cos square x, by the trigonometric relation 1 by cos x is equal to sec x. Okay, into dx. Okay dear students, we know that integration of sec square x dx is equal to 10x plus c. If mx dx is equal to 10 mx divided by m plus c. So according to integration of sec square mx dx is equal to 10 mx divided by m plus c. So by this formula we can write it is equal to 10. Here m is equal to 1 by 2. So we can write it 10 mx x divided by 2, and here the constant divided by m, here m is equal to 1 by 2 divided by m plus c. Here c is a integral constant. Then after simplification of this line we can write it 10 x divided by 2 plus c. Okay, this is the answer of this integration. Now question number 34, integration of 7 sin 4x sin 2x dx. Here dear student, sin 4x sin 2x, we know that 2 sin a sin b is equal to cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. By this trigonometric formula we can solve this integration. 7 divided by 2 into 2, then sin 4x sin 2x dx. Here 7 by 2 into 2 is equal to 7. Then now we can apply 2 sin a sin b. According to 2 sin a sin b, according to the trigonometric formula, we can write cos a minus b minus cos a plus b into dx. Okay, 7 by 2 integration of 4x integration of this 4x minus 2x is equal to 2x cos 2x minus cos 6x dx. Then 7 by 2 integration of cos 2x minus 7 by 2 integration of cos 2x dx, and then another one is 7 by 2 integration of cos 6x dx. Okay, dear student, you have to know what is the formula of integration of cos x. We know that integration of cos x dx is equal to sin x. If constant involved with x, here cos mx dx is equal to sin mx divided by m plus integral constant c. Students, already you know integration of cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. If the any constant involved with x, here you can consider the constant m, then integration of cos mx dx is equal to sin mx divided by m plus c. To this rule we can write it 7 divided by 2 cos 2x is equal to sin 2x divided by m is 2. Here m is equal to 2 according to this rule. Minus 7 by 2 cos 6x sin 6x divided by 6 plus integral constant c. Okay, we can write it 7 divided by 4 sin 2x minus 7 divided by 12 sin 6x plus c. Now we want to take a common 7 divided by 12 from the both term. So 7 divided by 12 common from this term, we can write this term is here 7 by 4, but we want to take a common 7 divided by 12. So this term will be 3 sin 2x. After multiplication, then we will get 7 divided by 4. Okay, then here sin 6x plus c. Now this is our answer of this math. Okay, now question number 42. Integration of cos square 2x dx. For solving this math, you have to know the trigonometric formula 2 cos square x. We know that 2 cos square x is equal to 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x. Now according to this formula, we can write this integration half into 2. For applying this formula cos square 2x dx. Now according to this formula, we can write it 1 plus cos 2x, 2 into 2x, into dx, then 1 by 2 1 plus cos 4x dx. Now integration of dx and half into integration of dx, 1 into dx, then it is dx, and then half into integration of cos 4x dx. Okay, integration of dx is equal to x plus integration of cos 4x. Integration of cos 4x, we know that integration of cos mx is equal to sin mx divided by m plus c. So here m is equal to 4. So sin mx here is 4x and divided by 4 plus c, and here taking half as a common from the both term, we can write it x plus sin 4x divided by 4 plus c, and this is the answer for this math. Question number 48. Integration of sin square x cos 2x dx. At first, here two trigonometric function involved with this integration, sin square x and cos 2x. We have a trigonometric formula 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. We want to apply this formula in this case. Okay, so we need 2 sin square x, that's why half into 2 sin square x cos 2x dx. So half into 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x into cos 2x dx, and then half into multiply this by cos 2x. Now we can write integration of cos 2x dx and integration of cos square 2x dx. Okay, now half of integration of cos 2x dx and minus half integration of cos square 2x dx, and integration of cos 2x. We know that integration of cos mx dx is equal to sin mx divided by m plus c. C is our integral constant. Okay, so according to this formula we can write half into cos 2x is equal to sin 2x, here m is equal to 2, divided by 2. So we have another integral. So after complete this integral we want to use the integral constant. Okay, minus half into 2 cos square 2x dx. Dear students, this is cos square 2x, and multiply by 2 and divide by 2, because we want to use the trigonometric formula 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x. Here 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by this term. Okay, so 2 cos square x, here x is equal to 2x, 4 sin 2x minus 1 by 4, 2 cos square x by this formula, here x is equal to 2x, so 1 plus cos 2x, 2x, here x is equal to 2x. Okay, then 1 by 4 sin 2x minus 1 by 4, 1 into dx, and plus multiplication of plus and minus is equal to minus 1 by 4 integration of cos 4x dx. Okay, 1 by 4 sin 2x minus 1 by 4 integration of dx is equal to x, and minus 1 by 4 according to formula of integration of cos mx dx is equal to sin mx divided by m plus c. Okay, according to this formula we can write sin 4x divided by 4. So already we have completed the all integral term. So now we can use the integral constant, which is C. Therefore, we can take common 1 by 4 from each term is equal to 1 by 4 sine 2x. Here is sine 2x and minus x minus 1 by 4, then remaining term is 1 by 4 sine 4x and then integral constant c plus c. Okay, this is our answer of this math. Now example 5 of exercise 10b, integration of cos to the power 4x dx. Okay, now we can write 1 by 4 into 4 cos to the power 4x dx. Okay, so 1 by 4 we can write it 2 cos square x whole square dx, and 1 by 4 integration of 2 cos square x, we have a trigonometric formula 1 plus cos 2x whole square dx. So according to the algebraic formula of a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to cos square 2x and dx. Now we can write 1 by 4, then 1 integration 1 into dx plus 1 by 4 integration of 2 cos 2x dx plus 1 by 4 integration of cos square 2x dx. Dear students, for integration of this portion is equal to 1 by 4 x plus 1 by 4 into 2, then integration of cos 2x dx plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into 2 cos square 2x dx. Because we want to apply the trigonometric formula 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x, we can write this portion is equal to this half into 2. Okay, then 1 by 4 into x plus 1 by 2 and integration of cos 2x, we can write sin 2x divided by 2 and plus 1 by 8 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x, here x is equal to 2x and so 2 into 2x is equal to 4x. Then 1 by 4 into x plus 1 by 4 into sin 2x plus 1 by 8 into integration of 1 into dx and plus 1 by 8 into cos 4x dx. Okay, then 1 by 4 into x plus 1 by 4 into sin 2x plus 1 by 8 into x, integration of dx is equal to x plus 1 by 8, we can write it sin 4x divided by 4 plus c. Now we can take a common 1 by 4 from each term is equal to 1 by 4. So x plus sine 2x plus x divided by 2 plus 1 by 8 sine 4x plus c. Okay, 1 by 4 x plus x by 2, it will be 3x divided by 2 plus sine 2x plus 1 by 8 sine 4x plus c. Okay, this is our answer.